Looks like fun. What do you think?
Yeah, I actually got $100 I can borrow so I can do it.
Here we are at the gate. This is where you got to have a pass. We have a permit. And
we are legal. Now the hill climbing begins. Morning everyone. Starting our second leg of the trip today. Catalina Island. Woohoo!
this is our trek uphill. Pretty steep. You can see that Jeep going up. About a 12% grade right here. There's a buffalo. See the buffalo up there? Wow, this looks pretty intimidating. You know that?
What's that?
Look at that guy. Kitty, 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 kitty. I'm gonna walk up and say, hi, how are you? Well, maybe I'm not. How are you? You're a big boy. Would you charge if I walked up there? How you doing, buddy? Look at you. I think this is about as close as I want to get, though. Should I pet him? Should I go pet him?
Sure.
Okay, all right, I'll go pet him.
Back in Avalon.
What's that?
All
Alright. I think I better get back on my bike. I don't want to be charged by a buffalo.
You sure this is the road, huh?
Yeah?
I guess it's doing the road, huh? Doesn't get any better than this.
Welcome to the airport in the sky. Here we are. 10 miles, a little over 2,000 feet of climbing, and we're here, airport in the sky. All right, leaving airport in the sky. Buffalo up on the hill there. Coming up this was tough. Yes! And he tries him on the inside and he overtakes the national champion. Yeah, we're good. This is the way we came up. Coming back down into Avalon now. $20 miles right now.
I thought being with the world famous Ike Clamp, no, I was gonna see him wrestle down one of them buffalo, pull up a bonfire and cook me a burger. Nah, he took me to a restaurant and bought me one. It was still good though.